Last year, I helped a pasta place in Melbourne go from 15 bookings a week to 52 bookings per week, just by changing the keywords they're targeting on their website. They weren't using the wrong keywords, but they were using keywords that brought the wrong customers. If you're getting website visitors but no bookings, no takeaway orders, no catering inquiries, this is probably why. Ciao, I'm Andrea, the SEO Chef. I've been helping Australian restaurants get found on Google online for more than 15 years, and today I'm gonna show you exactly how to choose keywords that bring you the right customers. If you want more tips like this, just hit the subscribe button and let's dive in. Right, let's start with the basics. There are two types of keywords that you need to know. First, short-tail keywords. There are 1-2 words like pizza or Italian food. Second, long-tail keywords. There are like 3+ words like pizza deliveries Bondi or Italian catering eastern suburbs. Short tails bring browsers, long tail brings buyers. When someone searches for pizza, they might be looking for recipes, pizza ovens, or they're just browsing the internet. But when they search pizza delivery near me tonight, they got their wallet out. For restaurants, long-tail keywords are your best mate because they show customers' intent. Now, you don't need fancy, expensive tools to find these keywords. Google gives you everything for free. Let's dive deeper. First tool, Google autocompletes. Start typing your main keyword and Google always show you what people actually search for. Type Italian restaurant and you see the Italian restaurant delivery, Italian restaurant near me, Italian restaurant booking. Second, people also ask, search for your main keyword and scroll down. Google shows you related questions people are asking. Third tool, related searches. Scroll to the bottom and any Google search, you'll find more keywords idea right there. I use this trick every week. I type in my client's main service and location, then I screenshot all the suggestions. The best part, it's all based on real searches from real people in your area. Let me show you how this works for different restaurants' needs. You need these keywords for bookings. Instead of targeting restaurant, use restaurant reservation plus your suburb. Could be Bondi, could be Melbourne CBD, could be Fitzroy, or book a table in Fitzroy North. People using these keywords are ready to book tonight. For takeaways, target takeaway near me, Italian delivery, or order online in Fitzroy. These people want food right now, not information, so keep it direct. For catering, use office catering in South Yarra, event catering in Melbourne, or Party Brothers Greek food. Higher value customers, longer planning time. For events, target private dining, function venues, or birthday dinner in Fitzroy. These bring bigger groups and bigger bills. Your homework this week. Pick 3 types of customer you would like to attract to your restaurants. Diners, takeaway, or catering. Then spend 10 minutes on Google finding the exact words they use to search for you. Put these keywords naturally into your website content and update your copy, your Google business profile, and your social media posts. What kind of customer do you most want to attract? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one and reply with specific keyword suggestions for your area and your restaurant. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on weekly tips to improve your restaurant rankings on Google. I'm Andrea, the SEO Chef, helping Australian restaurants get more bookings and get found on Google. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.